Hi guys, welcome back to Self-Sufficient Mama. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite recipes, savory Italian beans. This is a very safe meal to eat after you do a detox, or if you're just trying to take it easy on your digestive system and clear out some of the bad things going on. These are your ingredients you're going to need for the recipe. You want to start off by adding some oil to your pan. Then go ahead and add your onions. Add some Celtic sea salt to this and cook them until they're translucent. Once they're translucent, go ahead and add your tomatoes, Celtic sea salt, and red pepper flakes. Go ahead and give them a stir. Once your tomatoes and onion mixture is cooked and thickened, you're going to want to add your beans to this. You're also going to want to add some more of your Celtic sea salt and your red pepper flakes. Once your combination has cooked a little bit, you're going to want to add some more olive oil. And I know this seems like a lot of olive oil, but you're going to use it and the beans will suck it up and it will create a nice, thick, smooth, creamy texture for your beans. Here we're going to go ahead and add our basil. I didn't have a lot of fresh basil, so I used some basil paste in conjunction with my fresh basil. If you have all fresh basil, that is fine as well. If you only have paste, you can use whatever you guys have on hand. Right here, we're going to add some more olive oil. I don't like putting it all in at once. The beans will absorb it, and then once it thickens and you don't see no more juices, you're going to add more olive oil to it. And we are going to add the last of our olive oil right here. You guys shouldn't need any more. This should thicken up the sauce pretty good. And optional, you can add some ghost salt if you want. It is pretty spicy, so just go off of your spice preference. Now that your beans have been simmering for a while, they're ready to serve. You'll have a nice creamy sauce. I like to serve mine over basmati rice. It tastes really good. My kids like theirs with cornbread. I just like mine with basmati rice or as a side dish to anything else you want. Here's those ingredients again. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.